All right, just picking up where I left off. So again, we work on the pink and the orange together. You've got your answers to that in the bottom down here in the notes. And then the students will be doing their Google form that focuses on the blue portion. And they're allowed to use any of their notes. They're allowed to use that sample document. Totally doable. And then the answers, that's the spreadsheet I linked here, but it'll also be in the resources. And then for the update or for the reminders for our 10th graders, we are going to have some Cristo Ray Network observations on the Tuesday, the 23rd. So I want to make sure that we start telling our sophomores about that. It's just nice, right? Like it's just what you would do to another team member if something's coming up. You want to give them a reminder. So we're going to remind them the next couple of job team meetings. Hey, we've got some people coming in to observe us. The Excel is a little bit different for our upperclassmen or for our 10th and 12th graders because they're a week ahead. So they are going to be doing Unit 2, Lessons 1 and 2. And then we also have a Creating Lists Part 2. I'll go over that with you. And they also have the on-base virtual meeting. Okay, so let's transition into, excuse me, over here, the creating lists. All right, so our creating lists part 2, this is where the students are going to be applying it to a work situation. So last week it was list your classes, your top 10 list. For this week, they are going to be adding formatting to a job description and to a set of instructions. So essentially what they're going to be doing is if they get stuck, here's where they can go in AES. They're going to have page 1 are some instructions where they're going to add some numbering. And then page 2 will be the job description. So we're just going to go quickly through page 1. Essentially, they're going to get this section here. They're going to copy it and paste it into a new Word document. And then what they want to do is make sure that they have access to any of the ribbon functions that they need. And they're going to change the style of the title, and they're going to add bullet points in. And so their final product is going to look something like this, depending on how they choose to do the headline. So that's the first section. And page 2 is formatting a job description. So what I have them doing is I actually just went to Progressive, one of our partners, and copied one of their job descriptions. And I thought this might be interesting to students that, you can see this is a job that you just need a high school diploma and you can make up to $19 an hour or even more with shift differential. You get a bonus. You work from home. So pretty neat gig, right? So anyhow, so they're going to copy and paste this data, put it into the second page of their worksheet, and then they're going to format it so that it looks like this and this. There's 2 slides that give them their final example. They're adding in bullet points and they're bolding certain things. So they're learning more about formatting, and then we ask them to share with their supervisors. So that is what they're going to be working on for their Word assignment, and then also their job team meeting. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.